Good morning friends, how are you? I hope you are fit and fine with your family members. Friend, you know it very well. In modern scenario, coronavirus is the burning topic. And you know it very well that coronavirus disease, that is COVID-19, is an infectious disease caused by a new virus. The disease causes respiratory illness like the flu with symptoms such as a cough, fever, and in more severe cases difficulty in breathing. So you can protect yourself by washing your hands frequently, avoiding touching of your face, and avoiding close contact with people who are unwell. So let us perform an activity on COVID-19. Today the activity is, just see the statement, collect the data of total corona patient of any 5 states of India. You can collect this data from news or from internet or from any source. Any 5 states you can take. Then after, you have to round off the data to the nearest 100. First, collect the data. Second, you have to round off the data to the nearest 100. Then after, you have to draw the bar graph of this data on the basis of this data. You have to draw the bar graph. Then after, you have to find the most and least affected area on the basis of the data out of those 5 states. Here I am just setting an example before you, and in same way you have to take some other 5 states and perform the same activity. Suppose I am taking these 5 states. Suppose first one I have taken Telangana, second one I have taken UP, Uttar Pradesh, third one I have taken West Bengal, then fourth one is Bihar, and fifth one I have taken Haryana. You have to also take any 5 states. So first of all, let us find the actual data of COVID-19 patient. So in Telangana, how many they are? They are 960. In Uttar Pradesh, they are 1510. In West Bengal, they are 514. In Bihar, they are 153. And in Haryana, they are 272. This is the actual data from these 5 states. Now, let us start the activity. First of all, what we have to do? We have to just round off this data to the estimated data. We have to round off to the nearest 100. So if we have to round off to the nearest 100, first of all, encircle the 100 place. Here 100, once test 100 places, this. You just encircle it. Now, you see the digit just after this, means you have to see the 10th digit. Now, round off rule we are having. If this 10th digit is either 5 or more than 5, then we have to add 1 to this digit and these 2 digits will become 0. As here number is 6, means more than 5. So, we will add 1 to this number. Now 9 plus 1 will be 10 and these 2 digits will become 0. So this number will be rounded off to the nearest 1000. In same way, we will round off other 4 numbers. Here again, you just encircle the 100 place. Now see the digit just after this, means now you have to see the 10th digit. Here 10th digit is 1. Means less than 5. It means this number will remain, this digit will remain same and these two will become 0. So 1510 will be rounded off to the 1500. Now take the next one, 514. Again encircle this digit. Here again you see one digit is 1, means less than 5. It means this will remain same. So this number will be 500. Now 153. Again encircle this. Here 10th digit is 5. If it is 5, it means you have to add 1 to this number. So this number will be rounded off to the 200. Now next, here again encircle this digit. So this now, see it is more than 5, so it will be 300. Means you have estimated or round off this data. Now after this, you have to represent this data through the bar graph. For drawing the bar graph, you have to take two axes. One is horizontal axis, another is vertical axis. This horizontal axis is known as x-axis and this vertical axis is known as y-axis. Here the point where these two axes cut, that is called origin, and here we will represent it by O. Along this, here maximum is 1500. So we can take the gap of 200. Here we will represent 200, then 400, then 600, then 800, 1000, 1200, 1400, then 1600. We can take one more. It is 1800. This is our y-axis and this is our x-axis. Along y-axis we will show the number of patient. We write here number of patient, and here we will show the state. Let us represent it, state. Here first, here also we will represent at the equal gap. Like this. Here first bar, that is we will draw first bar for Telangana and it is of according to the 1000. So here this is number is 1000 we write here, and here in this bar downside this we represent it by T, that is T stands for Telangana. Then next one is UP, and in this Uttar Pradesh, in this their bar is of 15 in front of 1500. So 1500 lies between 1400 and 1600. So the width of the bar and gap of the bar must be same. So this will represent the UP. Here we will write down U. Then next is for West Bengal. It is up to 500. So we will draw bar up to 500. It is 500 lies between 400 and 600. With the help of scale, you have to draw. It is 500, and this is for West Bengal, WB. You can represent like this. Then next one is for Bihar. It is for 200. So 200 is this. It is for Bihar. We write simply B. And last is for Haryana. It is up to 300. 300 lies between 200 and 400. This is your x-axis. It is for Haryana. Here we will represent the scale. So on, we write on y-axis. Here 10 small division is equal to what? Is equal to 200 patient. This is the scale. Now last question is, which is the most affected state and which is the least affected state? So most affected state is what? Here highest graph is for what? Uttar Pradesh. So most affected state is UP and least affected state is what? From the graph here to list is what? This one is for Bihar. So you have to do the same activity by taking 5 other states. So this is for the day. Thank you.